Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see about how to use script includes in reference qualifiers. In my previous videos related to script include, I told that script includes can be used in business rules, UI action, reference qualifiers, and in some other script includes also, right? So today we will see how to use script includes in reference qualifiers. So first of all, we will learn what is meant by reference qualifiers in ServiceNow. See, reference qualifiers are used to restrict the data that you see in reference field. Okay, there are three types of reference field: simple, dynamic, and advanced. Today we will learn about the advanced type reference qualifier. So let's implement one use case for today video. So this is the incident record, right? So here in the caller field currently I could see total 638 users. Okay, but I don't want to see all these 638 users. I want to restrict this data based on the department. Okay. Let's say, for example, if the current logged in user belongs to IT department, then he could see only the users related to IT department. Okay. Here he could see only the users related to IT department. Okay. Or let's say if the current logged in user belongs to HR department, and he could see only the users related to HR department here. Okay. So let's see how we can implement this use case using script include. Okay. So first we will create one script include for this. Okay. So let's type as script include and select the script include in system definition. Let's click on new. So get department details is the name of our script include. Okay. So this is not a client callable, right? So I'm not going to check this client checkbox. And now we will define our own function here. So we need the department name of that users, right? So let me maximize the code. So we will glide to the user table first. So using add query method, we will filter the sys of the current logged in user. Okay. So using gs.getUserID method, we can get the current logged in user sys. Okay. And we will return the department name of the users. Okay. And we will convert that to string. Okay. So let's save our script include. Okay. Now we have to call this script include in reference qualifier. Let's see how we gonna call this script include. So right click on this caller, go to the dictionary of that caller field and click on advanced view. So I will change this to advanced. Okay. Total there are three types: simple, dynamic, and advanced. So today we are learning about this advanced reference qualifier, right? So I am gonna check this advanced. So there is a syntax to call the script include in reference qualifier. So let's see. It's JavaScript colon new and script include name. Okay. First we will get the script include name dot and the script include method name. Okay. This is the method name, right? Method or function name. So this is how we can call the script include in advanced reference qualifier, guys. JavaScript colon new, and this is the script include name, and this is the script include function name. Okay. So this JavaScript colon new is must while calling the script include in reference qualifier. Okay. Now let's save this record. Yeah. So we are also done with this script include part, right? Now we're gonna test this scenario. Okay. So first, let's check the current logged in user belongs to which department. Okay. So system administrator belongs to finance department. Okay. So let's check how many users belongs to finance department. Okay. Yeah, if you see total 35 users belongs to finance department. Okay, including system administrator. Okay. Now, so here current logged in user is system admin, right? He belongs to finance department. And as per our use case, when the current logged in user belongs to finance department, he could see only the users related to finance department. Okay. See, total 35 users, right? Earlier it was 638 users. Now the list got restricted. Okay. See, only 35 users you can see now. That too belongs to the finance department. Okay. So here total 35 users are there, right? Belongs to finance departments. So that's why we could see here also 35 users because these 35 users belongs to finance department. Now let's impersonate to another user. Let's take let's take IT department. Okay. So we will check how many users are available for IT department. So total 116 users belongs to IT department. Okay. Now let's impersonate as this user. Now, when this user log in, he could see only 116 users. Okay. Because this user belongs to IT department, right? So let's impersonate Alfonso Briglen. Okay. Click on create new. See, now we're gonna check this caller field. See, he could see only 116 users belongs to IT department. Okay. Because the current logged in user belongs to IT department. Okay. So So this is how we can restrict the data that we see in the reference qualifier, guys. Okay, I hope you like this video and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, friends. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.